Hello, good evening, students.
Good evening, miss.
Good evening, Viraj. All right. Good evening, Daman.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Beta, good evening. Before it was showing Yuvraj. Daman, it was you itself, Beta.
Yes, ma'am, it was me.
Okay. Please on your cameras, guys.
Ma'am, I will switch on in a minute.
Yeah, okay. And what about Viraj? Why both of them your cameras are off? Why, Daman, you will be switching on within a minute? May I ask you, please?
Ma'am, there's someone at the door, so I have to answer them.
Mm, so you should change your place, right, dear?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay, all right. Okay, good evening, both of you. Let's begin with our lecture. All right, Viraj and Daman. Both of you, hope you are good, right? All right, now I'll begin with our lecture. That is, we are continuing with the same concept, that is, reproduction in organism is our chapter. That is chapter number 1, right, guys? Hope you are understanding the lecture, right? Viraj and Daman, do you have any kind of a doubt till whatever concepts I have clear with you both?
No.
No. Okay. Yes, Daman, what is your answer?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. Now, guys, one thing before I forget, I would like to make you remember that today we will be finishing with our chapter, right? And after finishing with our chapter, I'll be skipping a test, and test will be tomorrow itself. As from previous lecture, I am telling you that soon we will be finishing with the chapter. So as soon as the chapter is over, there will be a test. So tomorrow evening there will be a test. All right, and the test will be at 5 o'clock. And already I have set it with the paper, and the test will be conducted by Hemant sir. Okay, so please be ready with the same chapter, that is chapter number 1, reproduction in organisms. Okay, guys, is the date time is clear to you both?
Miss, tomorrow is Sunday.
I know, that's why I asked you, Sir Viraj, in fact, that tomorrow Sunday I have to conduct the test. Then Hemant sir said, today itself you have to conduct. So that's why I can't help. So I just took a concession for you both. That is, may I conduct the test in evening because my students require a time. So he said, yeah, you can conduct in evening. Okay. So it's not an hard paper. Okay, it's very easy. It's just it's just a mind which you have to use it. And I have not put it any harder questions. Only the thing is that tricky questions are there. If the concepts are clear, you can write it by your own itself. That much easy paper I have made it for you. Yeah, and the paper timing is 1 hour and 25 marks paper. Only the first chapter. All right. I saw the homework of yours, which I have been given in the last lecture. The homework was right. Only the thing I found one thing. Viraj, I guess 1 second. I'll just yeah. Only I was having one doubt, that is, yeah, Daman. Daman, beta, seasonal breeders, you haven't written the fifth one. Why is it so? Only you searched with the four animals, beta. Frog, lizard, mosquito, fish. What about the others?
Ma'am, I wasn't getting the fifth one, so I
So
skipped
you
it.
would, okay, so you would have searched, right? You would have searched for more things, isn't it?
Ma'am, I had searched, but I didn't get anything.
You would have mentioned horse also. Horse is also the seasonal breeder animal if you will see to it. Right, you can write it down horse also. The way you have written frog, lizard, mosquito, fish, so you can write it down horses also. Horses are also a seasonal breeders. Rest all is good. I'm happy with your homework that you have done a proper, you both have done a proper surfing and searching work, and you have written many more animals. And yes, the reason behind that for giving such kind of an homework was that you should learn more and more examples, which are the seasonal breeders and which are the continuous breeders, right? Now, students, we have already started with our sexual reproduction. And I said you the sexual reproduction, it is conducted, this mode of reproduction, this event have been conducted in three stages. That is pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. Already we have completed with, guys, that is what we have completed with a pre-fertilization event. In fact, we was running out with pre-fertilization events. The pre-fertilization events, there are two types in that, that is gametogenesis and gamete transfer, right? Can you tell me, both of you, what is gametogenesis? Anybody can answer me.
Ma'am, I didn't hear you.
I said, first, for hearing me, Daman, there is a lot more noise behind you. You need to avoid that, right? Yes. So the thing is that, dear, the gametogenesis, I'm asking the meaning of gametogenesis, right? We have already started with the sexual reproduction. So for sexual reproduction, I have completed with this three stages. I have said you the three stages, right? I have not completed, sorry. With this, we are continuing with pre-fertilization. Okay. Now, so we are completing with pre-fertilization events. In pre-fertilization, we have two, that is gametogenesis and gamete transfer. So my question towards you both is, what is the meaning of gametogenesis?
Formation of gametes.
Formation of gametes. Yeah, the formation of gametes, that is male and female gametes. It is called as in gametogenesis. So, Viraj, the gametogenesis have been divided into how many types, dear?
Two
Yes. First one, can you tell me?
homogametes,
Also called as in?
isogametes,
Yes. And Daman, what is the second type of a gamete?
Heterogametes.
Yes. Now the homogametes we have saw in the last lecture itself, they are the two gametes which are similar in appearance, right? It cannot be differentiated, it cannot be categorized, whether it is a male gamete or whether it is a female gamete. Hence, whenever the sexual cells or the gametes which are same in condition, it is called as an homo or isogametes. Then we have saw the meaning of heterogametes. Heterogametes we have so when the two gametes are morphologically, means internally and externally, are different, okay, are distinct means they are different gametes, they are called as in heterogametes, right? So that is, we have studied male gamete is called as in sperm and the female gamete is called as an egg. But the sperm, the which is a male gamete, it is also called as in,
sperm,
sperm is also called as in,
male gamete.
yes, male gamete is called as in sperm, and the sperm is also called as in. The slide is in
Oh,
front of you.
and antherozoid.
Anthrozoid, absolutely right. Remember, guys, in a last lecture also I have repeated thrice, three times I have repeated. The sperm is also called as an anthrozoid. So you should also remember that the sperm is also called as an anthrozoid. The female gamete, which is a sex cell, it is also called as an egg. It is also called as an ova. It is also called as an ovum, right? Example, fucus and humerus.
हेलो दमन,
हाँ हेलो।
होस्ट बन गया मैं। तू ही नहीं क्या उसको? मीटिंग में नहीं लेता वो।
हाँ मतलब गूगल मीट तो है नहीं, गूगल मीट में डायरेक्ट आ जाता है, इसमें नहीं आता है।
वही तो
मतलब
बोलेगी। अच्छा है उसका नेट।
बोल मेरा नेट इशू हो रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, नया लिंक बना बोल।